If you are someone who uses tabs in Emacs, like if you wanted to use tabs in Emacs, there's a package called Centaur-Tabs. If you want tabs like this, you can install that package. And if you need a better search for your Emacs, you can use Swiper. So those are the two packages which I'm going to show you today. So .emacsd, Control X, Control F to open up our directory editor, and here we are going to open up .emacsd and init.dl, which is our configuration file. Control X, Control plus, and I have added the configurations prior to this so that you don't have to wait a long time while I sit and type. So I will explain one by one. So this is the comment section. I just added a command so that I can understand which is which in my configuration file. So the first line is like use package Centaur-Tabs. So I'm specifying we need to use the package Centaur-Tabs and making sure it's installed by using this line ensure t. And we are specifying some configurations. So we are specifying the tabs to use icons with this line, first line. So we are going to use the bar location over. We can like gray out icons inside, like for the buffer we can gray out the icons. We can specify custom heights for our bar, like if you need to have like some bigger bar for this, you can use that. Then you can have like set modifier, so you can have a custom marker for this if you want. So there are options like you can specify some custom marker for this, so you can use that if you want. Then we are enabling Centaur-Tabs like true. So for enabling swiper search, you can use package console and use package swiper, and you need to add your configurations over here. So if I switch to my browser, the web homepage of swiper, so what I have done is like I have just copied the default configuration, IV mode, all these things, and I just copied it, and here I'm just going to paste it as it is. So if I do like I go back to config, hit enter, and if I do Control Y, I'm going to have the entire configuration over there. So for now, let's close this one. So we have like this one available, swiper available. So I may need to close something someplace, I think. So Control X, Control C to exit out of Emacs, save the file, yes. And if I open up Emacs again, hope I'm not getting an error or something. 11 for full screen. Yeah, I didn't get an error, so luckily we are successful in enabling swiper. So if I do a Control S, this is going to be swiper, so I can search something in some file if I want. If I do Control X, Control F, this is the new file browser which you are getting if you have the new like if you have copied the same configuration from swiper. So I can open up like Emacsd and init.dl exactly like this, and if I hit enter, I'm over here. If I do a Control S again, if I search for set Q or something, I can navigate through this with my navigation keys. So it's like a little bit convenient way of searching through your configuration or some large file. So that's really up to you. So I hope this one was helpful. I hope you all have a wonderful day.